For most Bitrix24 users, websites are a primary source of leads, so it's important to set up a smooth connection between your website and the Bitrix24 CRM. Any form on any website can send leads to Bitrix24. Multiple websites can be supported by a single CRM. We will use a WordPress web form as an example in this video. Note that WordPress may have additional modules which require adjustments to the instructions shown here. There is a blog post on the Bitrix24 site that shows how to create a lead using a post or get method. The post includes a simple script which creates the most basic of PHP web forms. The PHP of this form might look intimidating, but let's just look at two things in it and then we will go on and look at WordPress. First, let's find the fields which the site visitor fills in. They are at the bottom of this page. They include whatever fields you want to send to the CRM. You see that there's another requirement in this list, the title. This is called the lead name in the Bitrix CRM. It can be a regular field filled in by the website visitor, or you can build it using a script before sending the lead to Bitrix. Back up at the top, we see the connection settings, which include the login and password data of a user who has the right to create a lead in your Bitrix24. Looking back at the blog post, we see the values that can be selected for fields that have pull-down lists, such as the lead source. At the bottom, you can see that products can be entered into the form, so you can collect information not only about the client, but also about a concrete order or request for an appointment. Here is the WordPress form, probably more similar to what a lot of you have. This one does not use any plugins, but the presence of plugins does not prevent sending leads to Bitrix24. Opening the form in a text editor, we can edit it. It is imperative to have the values written precisely as they are in the blog post, so capital letters are required here. The web form result is sent using a post or get method, post in this case. For users of the Bitrix24 cloud service, the URL will look like this, only with your domain in it. Note that this must be sent using HTTPS protocol. The lead name will go into a field called title in Bitrix, so I'll fix that before filling out the form for the first time. I fill out the form and send. I get this JSON message, including an authorization string, which I will use in a moment. Here you see that the lead did go into the CRM and was assigned to Victoria Morrison, user number 2, and the source is marked as a web form. The responsible person was assigned directly in the incoming result, but I could just as easily assign it by a business process run on a new incoming lead. Let's change the responsible person to our own demo user, Danny White, and add the authorization string via the text editor. This will make the form more secure. Then we test again. On this page, an AJAX query should be used to return the user back to the site to the desired post form page. So here's the second lead. Remember that any web form can send results to your Bitrix24 CRM. This is just an example using one of the most popular website platforms.